As well as the standard fair use policy, this video is protected under the Treaty of Peace and Friendship 1787.
Moors are awake. We are taking our place on this planet.
For the record, I am out of, excuse me, I've been waiting a long time. I'm just trying to get my Zoom and everything.
Take your time. In the meantime, Ms. Bowie,
Okay, yes, here I am.
Ms. Bowie, if you're not wearing a head garment for religious purposes or for illness, I am asking that you reduce the time.
This is a part of my spiritual awareness and awakening, part of my indigenous belief and practices.
Okay.
This lady is giving me the impression that she might have took a couple of sips before jumping on this Zoom call.
Pardon me?
Do you have an attorney to represent you today?
I am standing in as the beneficiary of Erica Bowie. I am not of this jurisdiction. I proclaim my status in 2016 and documents were forwarded to the court to state this, to let you know that I am a part of League of Indian Nation. I am not of this jurisdiction.
Excuse me, ma'am, but what in the doohickey are you talking about? If you truly believed that you aren't part of this jurisdiction, why did you bother showing up to court? If you truly believed what you say, you wouldn't have shown up. There would be absolutely no reason for you to have rolled out of bed, put on your fake indigenous head wrap, and then log into the Zoom call. So stop it with the foolishness.
I am a part of League of Indian Nation. I am not of this jurisdiction, and I ask that the case be dismissed.
Okay. The dismissal is denied. Will you state your name for the record?
All rights reserved.
Are you stating your name for the record? Or are you refusing to state your name for the record?
For the record, all rights reserved is what I go by. I am standing in as the beneficiary of Erica Bowie.
Excuse me, ma'am, but what in the doohickey are you talking about? First, your name is all rights reserved? Wow. This lady right here is clearly drunk. She has no idea what she's talking about, and she is clearly about to make a complete fool of herself.
Okay, so Ms. Bowie, on the Zoom, we have an appearance that states Erica Bowie as your name. Is your name Erica Bowie?
My name is Bowie L.
Okay, it's rather apparent that this lady is a rookie because Moorish Sovereign Citizens don't have names. They have appellations. So don't you mean your appellation is Bowie L? And you are here in propria persona sui juris?
Okay, so as you named yourself, did you name yourself on the Zoom as Erica Bowie?
No, your clerk changed the name.
Okay, and so unless we have an actual Erica Bowie in the courtroom or an attorney appearing on behalf of Erica Bowie on the—
I am the beneficiary of Erica Bowie. I am standing for Erica Bowie.
But ma'am, you are actually sitting.
They're not present.
So I'm gonna ask one more time if Erica Bowie is in the courtroom before we issue a caveat. If Erica Bowie is in the courtroom, not the beneficiary of Erica Bowie, but actually Erica Bowie needs to be in appearance in this courtroom today. Therefore, or
well, this is what they wrote the ticket up under. Okay. I showed the police officer all my papers and documentations as well. And this is what they wrote up. It should be in the docket, all my documentation and my identification with League of Indian Nation, my proclamation, my notarized letter from the state of Michigan stating I am not a corporation, verified by Benson. And also it was 4 pieces of documents. Oh, and a picture of my ID. League of Indian Nations.
okay, so again,
You have those items in the document.
time, I cannot proceed without Erica Bowie actually being in the courtroom and stating your name for the record as Erica Bowie. Erica Bowie is the person on my docket. Erica Bowie needs to be the person and or an attorney who represents Erica Bowie.
Well, for the record, Your Honor, I am the beneficiary of Erica Bowie.
Excuse me, ma'am, but that type of rhetoric is not going to fly with this judge. If you are not Erica Bowie, the judge will be forced to issue a warrant for Erica Bowie's arrest for failure to show up to her court hearing.
Without Erica Bowie being in the courtroom, I cannot proceed.
Well, that's that's not by my lack of, that's because that's what you choose to do. But I have sent all that information into my docket, and it should all be at your.
Okay, and it's being based on the court rules.
I'm sorry, you're talking, but I can't hear anything.
Ms. Bowie,
To show you who I am, it states it all. It states all of it.
I'm about to get on record. May it please this honorable court, Dante Goss, P60162, on behalf of the people. Your Honor, for someone to represent another person in the courtroom, they must be a licensed attorney from the state of Michigan. Personal representative, beneficiaries, or anything of that nature are not allowed by court rules. So we need the actual defendant to appear in this matter.
Well, me stating to you all that I am Erica Bowie will put me in your jurisdiction, and I am not in your jurisdiction, and I've sent all documentation stating that.
Ma'am, you know what? Since you sent in all the paperwork stating that you aren't in jurisdiction, just end the Zoom call. That's it. Game over.
you may not be, but Miss Erica Bowie is, and so I will issue a caveat on Erica Bowie at this time.
But once again, Your Honor, Erica Bowie is stating, Erica Bowie has stated that she is no longer. She has a new identity, new jurisdiction that she is a part of. I'm from the Katapow Nation, and I am a part of League of Indian Nation of North America. I have a right to to pertain to my family business. I have a right to see to it that my children's needs are made. Anything pertaining to my family, sustainability, and upliftment, I have a right to see to that.
And don't forget, you also have a right to a nationality.
My nationality is Mormon.
And the police officer saw that I was pertaining to my family right.
What are you talking about?
I can't hear you.
Okay, I was on mute so that my court clerk could answer the call. I did not, I wanted there to be a very clear record. And I've stated once, and I'm gonna say for a final time, if Erica Bowie is not in the courtroom, pursuant to the court rules, and there is no attorney representing Erica Bowie in this courtroom or on this court Zoom at this time, driving in the state of Michigan without a driver's license is an offense at the time that the officer pulled this person over. Therefore, a habeas, a warrant will be issued on behalf of Erica Bowie. That concludes this matter, Madam Court Reporter. That concludes.
Well, Judge, I object.
You hear that? Blasphemy!
I object.
Okay.
I object.
Okay.
I sent in all my paperwork to sustain what it is that I'm sharing with you this morning. I object to your calling. I object to your ruling.
You have a right to an appeal. That concludes this matter, this hearing for today. You have a good day, ma'am.
And I know, Judge, that this is not something that you don't know of. I have all my documentations to back up everything that I'm stating.
Okay,
It's unfortunate. It's
an appeal. You will have to appeal my decision. I've made a decision. I've made a ruling. You
But that's not fair, and that
the
for me,
proper court procedure is to go to the higher court. You have a appellate right. You can exercise your appellate right. That concludes this matter. You have a good day.
But it should have been ended here. I stated to you that I am not of your jurisdiction.
These Moorish sovereign citizens are something else. It's like they don't get on YouTube and see that line of defense never works. Ma'am, all you had to do was just say that you were the defendant in the case. But instead, you want to play the stupid sovereign citizen game, and now you have a warrant out for your arrest. This is absolutely ridiculous. These people seem to never learn.